GED test takers, specifically the GED Math test takers. I'm making this video because I passed the GED Math portion, but I also failed it probably about 5 or 6 times. It got to the point where my family funded a very expensive tutor to get me to pass, and I actually passed before our tutoring ended because I was really afraid that information was just gonna slip out of my brain and I wouldn't be able to pass. So I had looked all over the internet prior to getting tutoring on what you needed to study, and it's just really blurry. I mean, there's all these people that claim they have the secret sauce, the answer. I bought a couple of individual people's custom books on the pass, and even the books that I bought did not precisely cover exactly what you needed to know to pass the 2017 GED. It's gotten harder. I'm going to let you know what my teacher taught me. Linear equations, linear inequalities, linear fractions, plotting slope, defining slope, being able to divide and find slope, y or m equals y2 divided by y1 over x2 divided by x1. Being able to kind of get a grasp on the word problems. The number one word problem I always had problem with in the test was this stupid Ferris wheel problem. It was, if I'm correct, I believe it said there were 38 cars on a Ferris wheel. 60 people could sit into a car. And 36 people had seats in a car. What was the remainder of people that did not have seats on the Ferris wheel? So what I couldn't comprehend was how the hell can 60 people sit in a car? It just was mind-blowing. But finally, I had an epiphany, and it was like, it didn't need to matter. They're going to throw the most ridiculous crap at you. Just try to get past the words and try to figure out the main substance of the problem. What kind of problem is it? Are you dividing? Is it a linear equation? What is it? So if I were to tell you to do anything, it would be watch tons of videos and do lots of linear inequation, linear inequality, linear fractions, and slope and graph problems. I'm not good at finding area and doing all that stuff. I had a really hard time with finding area of a cylinder, square roots. Horrible at them. If you can try to familiarize yourself with square roots, that would be really good. But for the most part, definitely study those. There's a lot of good YouTube channels. I like Khan Academy. There's one chick that I always Googled or YouTubed most missed GED questions. Those ones are helpful. And there's another woman that sits through and does problems. So I would practice while she was practicing while I was watching the video. So that was really helpful. And that's $200 to $300 of tutoring given to you for $0. Have a good day.